under their gears. All right, I'm back on this one to leak check it, but they also said it started making a smell like it was hot, like maybe the condenser fan motor died. But let's do our leak check first. So 134A specialer per lick, 13 ounces coil, and let's see what we get into here. Let the leak detector warm up. Ooh, suspect. Look at that copper line right there with the patina on it. Oh, mega suspect. It smells like that capacitor might have blown up. Oh, my flashlight battery's going out too. Let me go get a flashlight battery. Evaporator coil, specialer. Somewhere's in right over in here. Oh, nothing like the old H.V.A.C, baby. All right, there's one issue figured out. So now I know the coil's a leaker. We'll get a price for a coil for per lick. There's my serial number. Look at Perlick, union made, baby. All right. Second issue is the smell. And down here, you guys can't smell through the camera. I can smell what smells like a start cap blew its guts, or maybe even something at the compressor. So let's dig into here and take a look. Okay, just take the capacitor cap off. That is looking a little suspect right there. Let's go ahead and pull the cap off. Oh, there we go. The relay's roached. Look at that. The unit is unplugged, so we're safe to be in here. We'll see if we can score a 3-in-1 for a restart. Now, I know there was some power issues over the weekend in town, but yeah, that's the smell. Oh, mega burn. That almost has like that burnt transformer smell. It's pretty good. All right, we'll grab a 3-in-1 off the truck and see what we can do with that part of the puzzle. All right, so I put in a 3-in-1. Let's see if it's a hero or a zero. See if it'll start. I was charging up the H10 while we're here. A little battery charge going. Sounds like we're a hero. Let's get a gauge. We'll get gauged up on it, and we'll tidy up all the wiring. So that's where we're at so far. That's how that one ended up. So I got to get a quote for a new coil and a new line set. You can get it all in one kit. It'll be coil with the line set and the capillary tube. And that's how that came out like that. Coil, line set, capillary tube. And we'll see about fixing this really nice perlet. This one, just because where it's located in the bar right here, I think we just go for the repair. You know, it's slide top. We'll see. Let's see how much this comes out to. Let's see if they want to go for it. But for now, it lives to fight another couple days. All right, so he's got wrapped up with that one. I called RHS, and Perlick no longer makes parts for that unit. So there's no evaporator coil available. So that's where we're at on that one. I got one more stop to get to tonight. I'll bring you guys along. I'm at the stage in my career where I'm not gonna throw in a bunch of coils in that cooler to make a little beer cooler out of that thing. I'm at the point where when the gas leaks out of it, I let the customer know, then they'll have to shop for a new cooler, bottle cooler. I was sitting there thinking, oh, you could put some Omni temp coils in there. You could put a couple Russell coils in there and pipe it over. And you could totally get silly with it. But the more I looked at it, the inside's rusted, and that is a really, really old Perlick case. It would honestly be a disservice to the customer. So when that one finally pukes out, it'll be new cooler time. Let's I took the back way around here because it's hard to get across that main drag there sometimes. Let's get over here and see what we got going with this other little reach-in. Little tippy. Hey, so that last one we had a couple units to work on, a couple plugged condensate drains, condenser coils, nothing major. I didn't film a bunch, but let's go in here and see if we can film. I got one more pizza table that's down at an actual pizza place, and they're saying that it's warm. I told them to unplug it, so we'll see where we're at. Let me get the knee pros on, I'll get some gloves on, and we'll go inside and take a look. Doing good. Oh, I don't even see evaporator fan running or anything. See that? Zero. All right, check the receptacle. I got power at the receptacle. So let me come back this way. That power cord should come in through here. And it comes up and there's a power switch. I wonder if the little toggle switch in here puked. There's a little toggle switch right there. Let's see if that toggle switch barfed. All right, got the cover off. Oh yeah. Looking crusty right there. Crusty and torched. Let's take a look at that. All right, let's get this hooked up. All right. Making contact. Open line. I think I'm just going to put these all together and just 86 the switch, the weak link of the puzzle. There we go. I'm just going to 86 that switch. See where we end up here. All right, but wait, there's more. Well, come on, we got to get this tidied up. Let's get that off of there. that looks good. All right, let me get this. I gotta get to scrubbing on this thing. You better. All right, I got us plugged back in. Let's see. We got H.V.A.C motors, check. Let's clean some All right, let's turn on thermostat. There we go. See how we make out here. All right, let me get this going here. All right, that one lives to fight another day. Easy call, fun one. All back together. Thanks for watching NorCal Refrigeration and H.V.A.C. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.